So finally, I have created this background. So I bought this bedsheet from Amazon long ago. But what I did, instead of buying this stand from Amazon, I actually put a curtain rod on the wall. I told person who makes the furniture work for us, I told him to just put curtain rod over there so I can change the backdrops. I can put different uh, cloths as backdrops, green color cloths or bed sheets. Yeah, look at this, how amazing it is. Because what happens if you buy this Amazon stand? If you are working outdoor, it is going to be beneficial. But when you are working indoor, always you're going to shoot all your videos indoor. This is the best option to put a curtain rod on one of the walls because you're not going outdoor. So it is going to occupy a huge place in your room, those tripods of this stand. Because what happens, a person like me who is clumsy, I fell down because I got stuck in this ring light also fell down. I also fell down because I'm so clumsy, and my feet got stuck here in that tripod part of the stand, and this light also fell down, but luckily I connected it with the, what it is called, yes, M seal. So I used M seal to connect this ring light again back to that tripod part because the connection was broken because I fell and the ring light also fell. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have learned something from all those innovative ideas and from my clumsiness, from my mistakes, and from my wisdom. You have learned something. Keep growing, keep evolving, keep upgrading.